Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will look after a good interview question of Power Query. So question is how to get only numbers and only alphabets from a mixed data. Here you can see. So I will take a data set. Okay. So here you can see this data set. This column has like this. Okay, so this is our data. So from here I want a column which contains only numbers and another columns which contains only characters, only alphabets. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to transform data first. So I came to Power Query, then I have to do first row as header first. This is our header name, column name, dataset. So from here what I will do, I will go to I will go to add columns and custom column. So here what I have to do, first I will extract the numbers only. Okay, so what I have to do, I will write like text dot select, then it will be my column name. What is my column name? My column name is dataset. Okay, so it will be in a third bracket, dataset, then comma, I will put 0, then dot, then 9, 0 to 9 I have to put like this. Okay, then bracket close. So I will put like numbers, column name. Okay, so if I run it, so here you can see it successfully extract all the numbers from this dataset. Now I want only the characters from this dataset. Okay, so what I'll do, again custom column, I'll put like alphabets. So again same thing, text dot select. Okay, text dot select, then in bracket my column name is dataset. Okay, then comma, then what I have to do, here will be a catch. Here first I have to put this one A to Z, then again comma, this for the capital one, this is the small one, A dot Z. Okay, now if I run this, so here you can see, so this successfully extracted only the alphabets from this dataset. So like this is a very important question. So sometimes we get this kind of data in our real-time projects. So I think this is a very good interview questions for the Power Query interview. Thanks guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.